Good morning, students. I am W. Kumar Daffodil, Public School Teachers. Today's the class of computer. The topic of MS PowerPoint animation and transitions. So, MS PowerPoint is a slide presentation program. MS PowerPoint is a presentation program and it is create different type of slides in MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint it is a part of Microsoft Office. There are different versions are available of Microsoft PowerPoint. Some Microsoft PowerPoint is Microsoft PowerPoint 2003, 7, 10, 13 and 16. So this Microsoft PowerPoint today's class 6 subject computer MS PowerPoint animation and transitions. First PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a presentation program that is created slides and animations. इसमें विभिन्न प्रकार के स्लाइड्स बनाए जाते हैं. इट इज क्रिएट डिफरेंट स्लाइड्स. सो इट इज क्रिएटेड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ स्लाइड्स टू इन PowerPoint. So the students, you are aware that MS PowerPoint animation means what? Animation is the movement of any object to provide the movement of any object. That object is moved around of in your MS PowerPoint window. That's all animations. And animations, different type of animations. Different type of animations are available, such as interest animation, impulse animation, gest animation, and motion path animations. Interest animations are contain different type of animations, different type of options in interest animation. Different types of impulses contain different type of options in different type of exist options, and motion path is different type of options are available in this. So first of all, how to open MS PowerPoint? To open MS PowerPoint, go to a start button or program MS Office and click on MS PowerPoint. This is your MS PowerPoint window. First MS Office button, click, and there are some options are available, such as file menu, open, save as, different and exist. There are different type of contains option MS Office button and quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is used to quick action in MS PowerPoint window, such as to save quickly, to click on access quick access toolbar. And this is a title bar MS PowerPoint, and this is a minimize button, restore button या maximize button, and close button. And this button is ribbon type. ribbon tab, and this is menu. And horizontal scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar, and this is a horizontal scroll bar. This is a horizontal scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar, and this is a slide navigation pane. Slide navigation pane. And how many slides are made? The slides are displayed in slide navigation pane. And this is a status bar. Status bar. So the slides in status bar, and just above notes pane. Just above notes pane. Notes pane are write the point and paste the PowerPoint. And it is click add title. That means it is a placeholder. Placeholder. It is a dotted line. Presented by dotted line is called placeholder. Placeholder, that means it is created by dotted lines. Dotted lines is called placeholder. Placeholder is dotted lines. Students, and this is your MS PowerPoint window. MS PowerPoint window as well. Yeah, and you have how you use already in previous class. Just like so that students you use the, and this is a PowerPoint, and some points are also available. This is some shortcut command which is used in PowerPoint. Some shortcut command is used in PowerPoint, just like run a slideshow. Just run a slideshow. That means slide को जब रन करना होगा तो press the F5 key and insert new slide. That means CTRL plus M. Press the CTRL plus M from the keyboard. Open PowerPoint slide CTRL plus O. This is PowerPoint. Some shortcuts are also available. Control plus M insert a slideshow, run a slideshow, A5 and open. Control plus O. Cut plus CTRL plus a shortcut key. This is a shortcut key of MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint to use everywhere in animations. So MS PowerPoint to use, create presentations, frames, and so many callouts that to use and create. MS PowerPoint different type of slides. different of slides, themes is already created slides. So MS PowerPoint also use this type of also use PowerPoints, and these how to save, that means to save a PowerPoint, to save a slide, So how to click on MS Office button, choose and click save option. The save dialog appear on your monitor, and type the file name and click save button, and your slide will be saved.